All right, welcome in, everyone. Diving right in today. We're tackling something that honestly might seem pretty basic at first glance,
Yeah,
decluttering. But we're going deeper this time. We've got Age Well, Live Fully to guide us.
great book.
And it's really making the case that decluttering goes way beyond just, tidying up for appearances. It's
Exactly.
like decluttering for a mental makeover.
Absolutely, yeah. That's what we're going to dig into. How clearing your space can actually help you, like clear your head.
Yeah, that's the mission today.
Mental clarity through decluttering.
Less stress, more focus. I mean, who doesn't want that, right?
Right. It's a big promise, but the book lays out a pretty compelling argument.
Okay, so let's get into it. The book's pretty clear.
Sure.
Clutter isn't just an eyesore. It straight up messes with your mind,
It really does, yeah.
increases stress, makes it
Yeah.
hard to focus. I mean, we've all felt that, right? Like
Mhm.
papers everywhere, can't find anything, just total overwhelm.
Oh, totally. And the book actually explains why that happens. It's this thing called cognitive load.
Okay, cognitive load. Break that down for us.
So imagine your brain's like a computer, right? And it has a certain processing power.
Limited RAM.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And clutter. Clutter's like a ton of programs running in the background, all these visual distractions just eating up your brain's processing power.
So it's not just that it looks messy, it's actually like overloading your system.
Exactly. That's why you feel stressed, scattered, can't focus.
And that's where decluttering swoops in to save the day.
That's the idea.
And the book doesn't just stop at less stress. It goes into some pretty major benefits like sharper focus, better productivity.
Oh, yeah, especially in a workspace. Think about it. How much time do we waste just hunting for stuff?
Oh, all the time. Keys, phone, that one important document.
Right. Decluttered space, it minimizes all those distractions so you can actually direct your energy where it needs to go.
Okay, makes sense. And it's not just about work, right? The book talks about a better mood overall, just less feeling overwhelmed by stuff.
It's like a weight lifted,
Right.
literally and figuratively.
And this is where it gets really interesting for me. The book even connects decluttering to your wallet.
Yeah, to finances. It's about becoming more aware of what you already have.
So less impulse buying, right? Because you know what's hiding in your closet.
Exactly. You're not tricked into buying duplicates or things you don't actually need.
Okay, so those benefits sound great, but where do you even start decluttering? Especially if you're, like, buried in stuff.
The book is big on starting small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Pick a drawer, a shelf, something manageable.
Okay, bite-sized decluttering.
Exactly. And they have this classic system, right? The keep, donate, trash piles.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Helps you make decisions. But, they do say you got to be ruthless.
Ruthless, yeah, that's where it gets tough. Letting go of stuff, even if it has sentimental value, or you feel guilty.
Yeah, but the book frames it as self-care.
Okay, self-care through trashing stuff.
Yeah, because holding on to things that no longer serve you, it can actually weigh you down.
Yeah.
And it's not just physical stuff, it's digital too.
Oh, digital decluttering. That's a whole other beast.
It is, but same idea. Organizing files, deleting things you don't use, photos, apps, all of it.
So it's like mental clarity extends to your digital life, too.
Exactly. Less digital clutter, less mental clutter.
And the book emphasizes this isn't a one-time thing. It's about maintaining that decluttered state.
Like any good habit, right? You got to keep at it.
Yeah, regular decluttering sessions to keep things from piling back up.
And this actually ties into a bigger concept the book explores. Minimalism.
Okay, minimalism. Now we're talking lifestyle changes.
Right. But it's more than just owning a few things. It's a whole philosophy.
Is about being intentional,
About
right? With what you bring into your life, both physically and digitally.
Exactly. So conscious consumption, really thinking before you buy, needing it, not just wanting it, and digital minimalism, being more mindful of your screen time.
Yeah, like choosing to spend your time on things that actually matter, not just scrolling endlessly.
Right. And it all ties back to this idea of mindful living, appreciating what you have, the simple things.
So decluttering, it's like a gateway to minimalism almost.
It can be, yeah. It helps you shift your mindset, start thinking about what truly adds value to your life.
And that's what's so fascinating about this, right? Decluttering, something that seems so simple, can have such a ripple effect.
Absolutely, impacting your well-being, your productivity, even your finances.
So to sum it up with Age Well, Live Fully, decluttering isn't just about a tidy house. It's about creating a more peaceful and focused environment for your mind.
And taking those practical steps, starting small, being ruthless, it can really make a difference.
So here's something to chew on as we wrap up. Think about one small area, just one, where decluttering could bring a noticeable change.
Maybe it's your desk, your inbox, even just your nightstand.
What's one tiny step you can take today to kickstart that process? All right, folks, that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening.